Hi, we're now at Eton Centris for the Makina Moto Changge. I remember last year, kita mo tong steel parking na to, yan mahaba mga pila ng motor. But if you're going to go around, pag galing ka doon sa McDonald's side, pagkakanan ka, wag ka kumanan, lampasan mo yung event venue. Tapos doon sa road sa likod, may daan, may free parking mga motor doon. Mas konti tao. So let's get around and let's see what's available here at the Makina Moto Changge. Okay, let's go around. If you notice pala, as compared to the other Moto Changge, ito meron silang mga scooter display ngayon. So let's go look at the scooters first. So these are the scooters here. Oh, may naligaw na Vespa dito.
Galing pala na itong park ito. Ocean 3D.
Let's go in. Mga food doon.
Dito ako kanina.
Daming discount sila ngayon. Batusay. Battery.
Pag nandun ka na eh, no?
Kahit may magkarang kotse.
Excuse me. Daming tao.
Opo, nice meeting you, boss.
RCB. Chili. Grabe, if you compare it to the bodega clearance sale, ang daming tao dito. This is Ride Manila. Oh, they have Speedy here. I will get 2 gloves later. Hopefully my size.
Alright.
Oh, ang bango ng barbecue. Dapat nag-best pa ako para makabili ako ng barbecue. Empty helmet. Kaya ang bango ng barbecue. Nagutom ako bigla. Chicks inasal. Mad.
Ay natin!
Pinasama na lang.
Oo.
Bakit ba naman? Kaya pinasama na naman niya.
Kaya mo ng Rex 50.
Huwag na huwag mong gagawin yan sa bahay niyo kasi delikado yan.
Yan. Oh, spray ako. Ata hindi.
Hindi na andar yan.
Inatupagdar ka kanina eh. Ito, spray na rin.
Isipin din, may demo yun.
Lilinisan daw.
Oh, hindi.
Never fails yung pila ng HJC. The discount. 70%. Nakita niyo yung presyo na HJC. 4,000. Pag hindi mahaba yung pila mamaya, malamang uuwi ako ng may bagong helmet.
Talagang tayo kumain.
Wala kumain.
Okay, ikot tayo sa kabila, may harang. ano pa meron dito? Okay, so galing na tayo dyan. Let's go to the other side.
Kaya kumain
Wala ba na gan?
Okay, the Shell Advance. Remember, yung mga last few videos, I did my oil change and I used the Shell Advance, the red one. Recently, I used their newer, same, the silver one. Same viscosity, pero I'm having issues Ducati with it. But it's for another video. I'll make another video regarding this oil. Okay, let's continue. Music. Hirap yung may music na kakopyright tayo. So let's move from this area para hindi tayo makasagip ng music. Oh, Brembo. Pro Fender.
Mga bumili ko nyo kami sir, 20%. Sa 20,000 na lang, 20,800.
Meron na PPI. May Metro Bank. Pero hindi mo naman ano
Thank you.
Pero binayaran sa akin yung buo, 400. Kaya ever ko nung piniga, binayaran ko 400 kung ano yung ito. Hindi. Parang yung mga
subok lang.
vloggers natin, si
This is the line that goes around. Behind empty helmet is HJC. So ito yung pila. We're going to be looking at the V60 na color red if it's still available in 2XL. Let's see kung kakayanin ko yung pasyensya maghintay. Okay, after 30 minutes, I give up.
Hindi na kailangan ng equipment. Marami na ang nagsaswap sa buong helmet.
If you notice the line here, halos hindi gumalaw yung line for 30 minutes. At this rate, it's going to take maybe another 2 hours before I get in. So I don't think that's going to be worth the savings for the helmet. So, bali na. So this is our coverage of the Makina Moto Changge here at Eton Centris. It's ongoing today, January 31 until tomorrow, Feb 1. Okay, thank you. Malas. Akala ko talaga makakabili na tayo ng helmet today. Okay, bye.